Now to Ainsley McPhail, who's live at the Downtown Y this morning, telling us about Strong Kids, the program that is happening right now. Good morning.
Good morning, Michelle. Yeah, this campaign is giving free memberships to youth in our community, services that are oh so important, including mental health services here at the Y. Rebecca Trudeau joins us to explain. When you think of the Y, you may not think about mental health services. What is available here, Rebecca?
Yeah, so we're here to talk about Y-Mind. Y-Mind is an anxiety program for teens and youth. So we offer a teen curriculum, which is ages 13 to 18, and then a youth curriculum, which is 18 to 30. And basically Y-Mind is based in something called acceptance and commitment therapy, as well as mindfulness. And basically the kind of main message or intention behind this program is that as opposed to trying to avoid or control our anxiety, which we're often trying to do because we are suffering oftentimes with these things, we are trying to accept our feelings and emotions and kind of be willing to experience these emotions, but also still live according to a life that's important to us based in values. So for example, maybe connection or curiosity. So as opposed to an anxiety-guided life, it's a values-guided life.
Kids are going through so much right now. Have you observed that anxiety is at, extremely high levels?
Yeah, so actually what we have learned through most recent research is that mental health is 3 times worse coming out of the pandemic. And I think what we see, especially for youth, is there's quite a lot of social anxiety coming out of the pandemic. Teens and youth had anxiety before the pandemic, of course, but I think it was just exacerbated by the lack of socialization, the lack of connections with people, and people are trying to readjust to this new version of the world and themselves, and it's quite difficult, and they're finding it quite difficult to, go to school or start working or even go to the doctors. And something that we've seen within the program in terms of results is increased mindfulness skills, increased well-being, and increased ability to manage their anxiety, leading to like a decrease in anxiety. For example, some people are able to go to the doctors for the first time or travel on their own. A beautiful story also that came out of Y-Mind was that Y-Mind and the facilitators made them feel like worthy of living, which is an incredible and wild story.
To end our segment. Thank you so much. Such important conversations. Strong Kids, that's the campaign. Head to a link on our website.